Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and the antenna. Power stability prevents dropouts, and a good antenna ensures range. Once done, set the exact frequency or channel to avoid interference, then put the transmitter into pairing mode and start the receiver search. Make sure to confirm LEDs show link activity. If not, retry pairing with the devices within 1-2 meters. You'll hear a brief tone when the link establishes, indicating the transmitter is ready to send audio. You now focus on clean levels. Start with conservative gain and speak or play audio at normal volume. Aim for peaks around -12 to -6 dB to prevent distortion. Once done, monitor the receiver's meters and listen through headphones to confirm clarity and stereo balance. If you notice hiss or dropouts, scan nearby channels and move the receiver/transmitter to reduce obstruction. Make small gain adjustments while testing live audio to preserve headroom and preserve natural dynamics. You finish by locking the channel and saving the configuration so settings won't change mid-run. Secure the transmitter physically and note expected battery life or operating temperature. Once done, monitor audio for several minutes to confirm stability. If audio cuts out, first check mute and input cables, then ensure the antenna is fully seated and the RF link LED is active. If not, move closer or switch channels. Finally, reboot the transmitter and receiver as a quick reset step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.